Hello Mrs. Popical, thanks for honoring my invitation. You're welcome Mrs. Orizi. I couldn't afford to miss this invitation, because what you told me the last time on phone call concerning the rotten vegetables made me sad. So I took it upon myself to honor your invitation as well as to give you tips on how to choose good vegetables. That's so thoughtful of you, my dear friend. I am elated for your such wonderful thoughts. Thank you. I encountered the same problem some time ago when I had no idea about how to make good selection of vegetables until my husband gave me this tips I'm about to give you. I would like to talk about these vegetables and how to make good choices. Okras, garden eggs, tomatoes, cabbage, lettuce, and green sweet peppers. So, these are the tips to follow when buying any of these vegetables. Let me begin with okra. 1. When buying okra, look out for those that are bright green, firm and have no bruises. 2. Select young ones and not overgrown ones. 3. Test them by bending the tails. If they snap, they are all right. If you don't notice any snap at all, they are overgrown. Let's have a look at this example of fresh okra you need to choose. The next vegetable I would like to talk about is garden egg. When choosing healthy garden eggs, note that they should be firm and smooth and not wrinkled. They should be yellowish to orange in color. Make sure there are no holes in the flesh, because these holes signals attack by worms. Have a look at these garden eggs too. Let me now speak about tomatoes. These should be also firm and well ripened. The smooth oval type has more flavor and is sweeter than the ridged type. They should also have no bruises or splits. Now, cabbage. It should be firm to touch, have a firm heart shape, a good clean color and a crisp leaf. Speaking of lettuce, it should be young fresh, of a bright green color and crisp and firm to the touch, not flabby. They are best picked in the morning with the dew on them. There should be no blemish on the leaves. Our last but not least vegetable is green sweet peppers. They should be shiny, that dark green, firm and crisp to the touch, fully grown but not overgrown, as they tend to be tough and fibrous. Let's have a look at this. So you see, my friend, it's as simple as that. I hope this time around, you will be able to make good and healthy choices of vegetables. Oh yes, sweetheart, thank you so much. I'm grateful for these tips. Thank you so much. Hope I can fall on you for more tips anytime, any day. Oh yeah, why not? Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips. Bye.